Let me take you to the house of Vyas. So initially we got a layout which was 3 BHK and 3 BHK. We merged both the flats and we got this huge living space and a butterfly layout with 3 bedrooms on the right and 3 bedrooms on the left. While entering the house, you are attracted with this divine energy. As you can see, this mandir is customized and designed in a white marble which is engraved with brass and lapis lazuli stone. Besides this, the unit that you see, we have cleverly designed it with vents. Why vents? Because we have a complete electric panel which is hid behind. As we have used a complete DALI automation over here, this is the size of panel which is required for this 6 BHK flat. The other side, we have this shoe rack design. We have a rotatable shoe rack inside. Also, we have given a sitting below. So whenever you are in a hurry, take a puffy out, you can sit, wear your shoes and go to your work. Besides that, we have taken this beautiful console and a mirror above. Moving ahead, we have this round dining table. It's finished in quartzite and it has a rotating serving table. To enhance the beauty of the dining table, we have added this exclusive chandelier on the top. So this is the main living area. On the right side, I have the TV panel. On the left, a proper sitting space for approx 7 to 8 people, as this is a joint family. So we have purposely used this curved sofa because we wanted to highlight the furniture over here. As we chose the curved sofa, we had to use this curved SS finish partitions to complement the sofa. The background that you see, we have used a quartzite which is backlit. So here is a beautiful TV panel that we have designed, which is made in stone, which illuminates light from behind. Also, we have added this fireplace beneath to give an ambience when the lights are off to the entire living area. So let me take you to this open kitchen. We have planned this open kitchen with an island counter in the center. The client's requirement was very simple. They were very sure they wanted an island counter. So we had to plan it over here. Also, this open kitchen gives a proper connectivity with the living area. So the woman inside doesn't feel alone, even when there is a lot of family outside. You won't believe this, but this complete kitchen that you look over here is sourced from China. Also, this complete kitchen is not made in ply, but stainless steel. When you see the shutters over here and also the carcass is stainless steel. The shutter and the shutter finish as well is in stainless steel. So this is an inbuilt micro oven, and below this what you see is a warmer tray. So warmer tray is used for keeping your hot food hot. So when you have cooked your food, you can keep it over here and just close it. It remains in the same temperature and you don't need to microwave it again. We have given a slider over here, so all your small bottles and all can come over here, and this pull down unit, so your above storage can be easily accessible. We have added this fancy storages which opens up on a push button. You might have not guessed it by now, but the flooring marble and the marble that you see which is illuminating are the same. Generally, you might have seen chimneys which come at this level. So we have used a high power suction chimney to give an unobstructed view to this open kitchen. So this is the elder son's bedroom. The concept of the room and theme, what they wanted was a monotonous, single, subtle room. But this marble that you see behind was our first choice. Rahul sir liked this marble at first glance, so we had to incorporate it in his room. So we have taken this marble, we have used Korean to overlap it, and the complete room, what you see, is in a single room. The back panel, we have used this textured Korean. We have customized this pattern. Also, to complement this color, we have added this jute like fabric for the bed back. The side table that you're seeing, we have also customized this. We have used the SS PVD coated stand for that, and the tabletop is the same marble that you see over here. So this is the mother's room. A mother who is just aging by numbers but not by her choices. The back panel that you see, we have used one single marble in two different types. So here we have created angles in the marble, and the same marble we have repeated over here in flutes. The bed back is in fabric finish, so we have taken leatherite to give it a look, touch and feel of leather. So the client was very keen on having a proper dressing long unit. So we have created this complete long dressing mirror along with the dressing storage besides and space for the puffy. Along with that, there is a complete wardrobe here. So wardrobe are in fabric glass finish, and along with that we have some drawers over here which are used externally, and a TV which has a storage behind as well. So let me take you to the guest bedroom, which doesn't feel like a guest bedroom. You see the back panel, we have covered it in veneer. Again, this veneer is from Wenzo, and the other element what we have added is Korean. The room feels so cozy, so bright and so subtle, even a guest would feel like a home over here. We have used this low height ceiling fan which is from Aeropoint fans. As there was a height constraint over here, we had to use something which has a low height. So this is what we found from the Aero fans. So we are entering into the younger son's bedroom. This bedroom has so many elements, yet aesthetically it looks so pleasing to the eye. For the bed back panel, we have taken the combination of Korean and marble. We have added flutes to the marble and curves to the Korean, which gives such a beautiful look to this backdrop. This plain panel that you see is finished in Korean and a tinge of fluted veneer. Also, we have hid the bathroom door over here. We have used the flex stone in the ceiling, which gives this rocky kind of texture. Also, we have added a fiber optic lights in this. We had a huge window over here, and the client also wanted a TV in their room. We cannot had a ceiling mounted TV. So what we planned here, we have planned a sliding TV which comes to the center of the bed, and when closed it hides behind the dressing mirror. Besides the dressing mirror, this complete wall that you see, we have the main wardrobes over here. So the finish that you see, we have used textured veneer from Wenzo, and the golden part that you see is gold leafing. We have also continued the veneer part to the ceiling, but the ceiling that you see, we have taken flutes over there. So the client have a pet and they had a requirement. They wanted the pet beside them when the pet sleeps. So we have created this side table which also plays the role of a bed for Prince. Prince is the pet over here. So we had given a proper cushioning so he is comfortable while sleeping. So let me take you into the kids' bedroom. So the room had to be shared between 3 boys. So the space was constrained, so we decided to plan this trio bunk bed. We also did some smart storage planning underneath these staircases. As you can see, this drawers, and this complete staircase is finished in Korean. You must have not guessed it by now, but here also we have a hidden door which leads to the bathroom. 3 non-negotiables: a window that stays open, a TV panel, and a long mirror. Sounds simple until it's not. So we flipped the approach. Instead of fixing the TV panel on the wall, we made this sliding panel. This solves the third problem: a full dressing mirror, completely hidden and completely functional. Here is the wardrobe panel. We have used 2 veneers and we have customized this design, and it is from Venzo. Wait, this is not just it. We have a surprise for y'all. So we saw this setup in China while we were roaming around the lighting showroom, and this caught our client's eye, and they were too specific of having this thing for their kids' gaming room. So we planned out everything over here. What we saw in China, we replicated it with the vendors we have over here. So this came out to be looking so great. So this was a complete home tour of Vaya's home. Hope you guys liked it. Let us know in the comment section what was the most impactful thing you liked about this.